All right, this is math lesson 1.2, model adding 2. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to say this to yourself. I can use models to add to a group. So a model is just objects that help you to add or solve a problem. So this is my first, if I look at my first picture in our first problem, I see some kids playing on the playground. I also see some kids who want to join them and be on the playground also. So I'm going to count the kids that were already on the playground. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 kids on the playground. And I see that I have 1, 2. I have 2 more kids who would like to join them. So I have 2 more. And I want to know how many that is. So I want to know how many 6 and 2 is. So I can use a model to help me solve the problem. And the model would just be objects. So I have some cubes today, and I'm going to put out some cubes to represent 6, to represent those 6 kids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 cubes for those 6 kids. And I had 2 more over here. So I'm going to put up 2 blue cubes for those 2 kids. So that would be 6 and then 2. And then I can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 6 and 2 is 8. Now, when I do this, I can also make an addition sentence, and I don't have to use the words and is, but I can use some symbols to help me figure that out, or to write it, I'm sorry. So I could write that I have 6 kids on the playground, right here. Hold on. 6 kids on the playground, plus. So and plus mean the same thing. So I have and plus right there. So 6 plus, and then I'm going to look over and I see that I have 2 kids. So 6 plus 2, and then I want to know what 6 plus 2 is, so I would say equals. 6 plus 2 is equal to, so this sign means is equal to. And then I could count my model, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still have 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now 8 is what you call the sum. The sum is the total, how many you have all together. So I have 6 over here and 8 over here, and all together the sum is 8. And is, in this case, is the equal sign. So when I write the word is, it's really this equal sign is the word is. So when I join 2 things together and I say 6 and 2, I'm saying 6 plus 2. When I want to know the answer, I say is. That's the equal sign, is equal to. And this whole thing that I just wrote down here with my numbers, all of this is called an addition sentence. So I'm going to circle in purple my addition sentence. So my addition sentence is 6 plus 2 equals 8. And that is my complete number sentence. I call that an addition sentence also. So, here is our next problem. I see a cow inside the fence, and I see more cows that want to go inside the fence. So we're going to create a model for that. So I see one cow right here, so I'm going to put up 1 cube. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cows and 4 cubes. So that we will put down here for my 4 cubes. So I want to write an addition sentence. So when I write my addition sentence, here is my model, my cubes. When I write an addition sentence, I'm going to count. I have 1 cube and 1 cow. So I have 1 plus, because we want to add the more cows are going to go inside. So I say plus, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4 more cows want to go in. And that is what we say is equal to, and I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can even move my cubes together and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cubes, 5 cubes all together. And 5 is what we call the sum. The sum is the total number that we have, or the answer. This is our addition sentence. And once again, I'm going to circle, this time in green, our addition sentence. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 is my addition sentence. We also call it a number sentence also. So let's go on to our last problem. In our last problem, I see some penguins. In our last problem, I see some penguins here. And then I see some more penguins that want to join them. So I'm going to look up and I see I have 1, 2, 3 penguins. So I'm going to put up my 3 cubes to model how many penguins I have. And then I'm going to look at the penguins that want to join them. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 penguins that want to join them. So I'm going to put up my 5 more for the second set of penguins that want to join them. So now I'm going to write my addition sentence, and I'm going to count. I have 1, 2, 3. I started out with how many? 3. Good job. And then what would I add next for my addition sentence? If you said plus, you got that right, because we are adding our plus sign. Think about what you're going to do next. If you thought that you're going to count the blue cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write 5, excellent job. So we have 3 plus 5. What comes next in my addition sentence? If you said equal, you got it right. Excellent job. So now we have to figure out how many 3 plus 5 is equal to. We need to know the sum. So, figure that out. If you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you said 8 was my sum or my answer, you got that right. Excellent job. You did great work today. Thanks for learning with me.